We all know that brushing our teeth is crucial for good oral hygiene. But what if I told you that the very tool we use to clean our teeth could be harboring millions of microscopic dangers? It's true. Your toothbrush, a seemingly harmless object, can be a breeding ground for bacteria. These microorganisms, invisible to the naked eye, can accumulate on your toothbrush after each use. The warm, moist environment of your bathroom provides ideal conditions for bacterial growth. Every time you flush the toilet, microscopic particles can become airborne and land on surfaces throughout your bathroom, including your toothbrush. Even if your toothbrush is stored away from the toilet, it can still be exposed to bacteria from the air, your hands, and your mouth. This bacterial contamination may seem harmless, but it can have real consequences for your health. These bacteria can re-enter your mouth during brushing, potentially causing infections and other health problems. It's crucial to understand the hidden dangers lurking on your toothbrush and take steps to minimize contamination. Your mouth is home to a diverse community of bacteria, both good and bad. When you brush your teeth, you transfer some of these bacteria to your toothbrush. While many of these bacteria are harmless, some can pose a threat to your health. One common type of bacteria found on toothbrushes is Streptococcus mutans, a major culprit in tooth decay. This bacterium feeds on sugar and produces acid, which can erode tooth enamel and lead to cavities. Another common inhabitant is Porphyromonas gingivalis, a bacterium associated with gum disease. This bacterium can cause inflammation and infection of the gums, leading to gum recession, bone loss, and even tooth loss. In addition to these oral bacteria, your toothbrush can also become contaminated with bacteria from other sources, such as your hands, the air, and even your toilet. These bacteria can include Staphylococcus aureus, E. coli, and Salmonella, all of which can cause a range of infections. The presence of these potentially harmful bacteria highlights the importance of proper toothbrush hygiene. It may sound unbelievable, but every time you flush your toilet, tiny droplets of water containing fecal matter can become airborne. This phenomenon, known as toilet plume, can spread bacteria throughout your bathroom, landing on surfaces like your toothbrush. Studies have shown that toothbrushes stored in close proximity to toilets are more likely to be contaminated with fecal bacteria. These bacteria can include E. coli, Salmonella, and Campylobacter, all of which can cause gastrointestinal illness. While our immune systems are designed to fight off these invaders, exposure to high levels of these bacteria can overwhelm our defenses and lead to infection. Even if you store your toothbrush away from the toilet, it's still possible for fecal bacteria to reach it. These bacteria can survive on surfaces for extended periods and can be transferred to your toothbrush through contact with contaminated hands or objects. Keeping your toothbrush clean is crucial for minimizing bacterial contamination and protecting your health. Follow these simple steps to ensure your toothbrush is as clean as possible. First, rinse before brushing. Before you begin brushing, hold your toothbrush under running water for a few seconds. This will help remove any loose debris or dust that may have accumulated on the bristles. Next, thorough brushing. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes, making sure to reach all surfaces of your teeth and along the gum line. Don't forget to brush your tongue as well, as it can harbor bacteria. After that, rinse again. After brushing, rinse your toothbrush thoroughly under running water for at least 30 seconds. Make sure to remove all traces of toothpaste and debris from the bristles. Then, shake off excess water. Gently shake your toothbrush to remove any excess water. Finally, air dry upright. Store your toothbrush upright in an open container or holder, allowing it to air dry completely. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce the number of bacteria on your toothbrush and minimize your risk of infection. Storing your toothbrush. Keeping germs at bay. Proper storage prevents bacterial growth. Avoid enclosed containers. They trap moisture, promoting bacteria. Keep it upright. Store upright in an open holder for air circulation. Separate toothbrushes to prevent bacterial transfer. Store away from the toilet to avoid contamination. Use a ventilated travel case when traveling. Follow these tips to keep your toothbrush clean and hygienic. Section 6. Toothbrush hygiene during illness, extra precautions. When you're sick, especially with a contagious illness, it's more important than ever to practice good toothbrush hygiene. During illness, your toothbrush can become contaminated with the germs that are making you sick. To prevent reinfection or spreading germs to others, follow these extra precautions. First, separate toothbrushes. Keep your toothbrush separate from other toothbrushes in your household to prevent cross-contamination. Second, replace your toothbrush. It's a good idea to replace your toothbrush after you've been sick, especially if you've had a cold, the flu, or another contagious illness. This will help prevent reinfection. Third, disinfect your toothbrush holder. If you use a toothbrush holder, be sure to disinfect it regularly, especially after an illness. You can wash it with hot, soapy water or use a disinfectant wipe. By taking these extra precautions, you can help prevent the spread of germs and protect yourself and your family from illness. Section 7. Time for a change. When to replace your toothbrush. Over time, the bristles of your toothbrush become worn and less effective at removing plaque and debris from your teeth. Additionally, toothbrushes can accumulate bacteria even with regular cleaning. To maintain optimal oral hygiene, it's essential to replace your toothbrush regularly. The American Dental Association recommends replacing your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months or sooner if the bristles become frayed. Worn bristles are less effective at cleaning and can actually damage your gums. Children's toothbrushes may need to be replaced more frequently than adult brushes, as their bristles tend to wear out faster. Signs that it's time to replace your toothbrush include frayed bristles. When the bristles of your toothbrush become frayed, they can no longer clean your teeth effectively. Discoloration is another sign. If your toothbrush becomes discolored or stained, it's a sign that it's time for a replacement. And after an illness, as mentioned earlier, it's a good practice to replace your toothbrush after you've been sick to prevent reinfection. Regular toothbrush replacement is a simple yet crucial step in maintaining good oral hygiene and protecting your overall health. Section 8. Beyond the basics, additional tips for oral hygiene. In addition to proper toothbrush care, there are other things you can do to enhance your oral hygiene routine and keep your mouth healthy. 1. Use mouthwash. Rinsing with an antimicrobial mouthwash after brushing can help kill bacteria and freshen your breath. 2. Floss daily. Flossing removes plaque and food particles from between your teeth, where your toothbrush can't reach. 3. Clean your tongue. Your tongue can harbor bacteria that contribute to bad breath. Use a tongue scraper or your toothbrush to gently clean your tongue daily. 4. Visit your dentist regularly. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are essential for maintaining good oral health. Your dentist can remove plaque and tartar buildup, check for signs of gum disease, and provide personalized advice for maintaining a healthy smile. By incorporating these additional tips into your daily routine, you can take a proactive approach to your oral health and enjoy a brighter, healthier smile. Section 9. Sharing is not caring. The dangers of sharing toothbrushes. It may seem harmless to share a toothbrush with a family member or roommate, but this practice can have serious consequences for your oral health. Sharing a toothbrush exposes you to a multitude of bacteria from another person's mouth, increasing your risk of infection. When you share a toothbrush, you're essentially swapping saliva with the other person. Saliva can contain blood-borne pathogens such as HIV and hepatitis B and C, which can be transmitted through even microscopic cuts in the gums. While the risk of transmission through toothbrush sharing is low, it's still a risk that's easily avoided. Even if you're not concerned about transmitting serious illnesses, sharing a toothbrush can still expose you to bacteria that can cause cavities, gum disease, and other oral health problems. It's crucial to remember that your toothbrush is a personal hygiene item, just like your comb or razor, and should never be shared with anyone else. Simple steps for a healthier mouth. Good oral hygiene is simple and crucial for overall health. Brush twice a day for 2 minutes with fluoride toothpaste. Floss daily to remove plaque and food particles. Use mouthwash to kill bacteria and freshen breath. Clean your tongue daily to remove bacteria. Replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. Visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. Follow these steps for a lifetime of healthy smiles. Section 11. A final word. Make oral hygiene a priority. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of oral hygiene, but the truth is, taking care of your teeth and gums is essential for both your oral and overall health. The simple act of brushing your teeth, flossing, and visiting your dentist regularly can significantly impact your well-being. Remember, your toothbrush is your first line of defense against harmful bacteria in your mouth. By following the tips outlined in this essay, you can ensure that your toothbrush is a tool for health, not a source of infection. Make oral hygiene a priority in your life, and enjoy the benefits of a healthy, confident smile.
So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's turn the page on a new adventure together. Get ready to experience books like never before, only on VBook 360. Like, comment, and share to support the channel and keep the video magic alive. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, every video has a story, and every story deserves to be shared. See you in the next video.